giving vanhu ma-underdose saka tiri kuti pasina kutora chembere dzachembera. Ahoi manesi, ahoi manesi, ahoi. Right, onanadza noti isusu tiri kuti semanesi zeZimbabwe, we are not, government is not sincere with us. Tiri kuti if you look at in our government hospitals, murungosvika modhindisa kadi, madhindisa kadi totendai motenga mushonga kuprivate pharmacy. Tiri kuti pasina hurumende iri kuti vanhu vane votenga madrugs private pharmacy. Ngavaresustate mananat farm, ngavaresustate ma-government pharmacies kuti zvinhu zviite zvakanaka. Nekuti ma-hospitals have now been turned into Boko Haram camps where nurses can actually see ma-patients achifa. Takatarisa, tachifungidzira kuti isusu we can do something. It's really a pity to this government. I am appealing to Comrade Chiwengwa. I know he was misinformed by Dr. Parenyatwa. Yes. Miss Parenyatwa misinformed Dr. Chiwengwa about us. This is we have got genuine grievance. We are apolitical. We don't belong to any political party. Yes. We don't belong to any political party. Yes. Genuine. We are saying we want our basic tools of trades. We can't see my patients achieve oxygen in. We can't see my patients achieve blood in. Where we can see we can save life, we should save life. We cannot go hungry at work. We are basically saying we need tools of trade as nurses of Zimbabwe. Ahoy, my nurses, ahoy.